is one of the big earthquakes that we have been expecting, but I believe people are mentioning the likely earthquake that is going to hit Istanbul. That's probably called the biggest earthquake or the one being expected. So I would say Turkey, as you already mentioned, is an earthquake-prone country. And we are always, this last Elazığ earthquake was not the first, and it's not going to be the last one that we are going to experience with these magnitudes. There's some promising progress has happened, like the regulations for the construction of buildings have become stricter. However, that's not enough, obviously, because there is still a significant number of buildings constructed illegally, and a significant portion of the buildings is still without proper engineering. They don't have proper engineering services. So considering all these factors, although there is some positive progress, it's not enough. And the last earthquake in Elazığ is the proof of that. Well, the regulations, we must be really strict. I mean, there is no joke. Turkey is an earthquake country. We will always have these earthquakes. So we have to, first of all, accept this fact. And then we must be very strict with the regulations for the building codes. And on the other side, we really have to put significant amount of importance for the education.